Project governance is what sets successful projects apart from failures. Did you know that only 2.5% of companies successfully complete 100% of their projects? The first of the 8 principles of project governance is to ensure that the project aligns with the organization's strategy and objectives. This is vital to ensure the project's success. The third pillar of project governance is stakeholder engagement. Projects with actively engaged stakeholders are 2.7 times more likely to succeed than projects with less engaged stakeholders. One example of project governance is the creation of a project charter. This document outlines the project's purpose, objectives, and expected outcomes, and serves as a guide for project management. By following the 8 principles and 3 pillars of project governance, you can increase your chances of project success. So, make sure to implement governance in your next project.